channel, Candy's Hair Diary, and today we are going to be washing these tape-in extensions for the first time. So it's been 2 weeks. Generally I wash my hair every 2 weeks. It doesn't get that dirty or anything, or my hair doesn't get oily. Mainly I feel like because it's bleached, so my hair is probably looking for all the moisture anyways. And excuse me y'all if y'all hear noise in the background, because my grass is getting cut right now. So excuse that noise if you hear. Other than that, so I'm going to show you what these extensions look like so far. So like I said, it's been about 2 weeks, and as you guys can see, for the most part they are still in here. So most of them are still in here pretty good, and they're exactly where I had put them previously, like no real slippage or real growth. The only one that has slipped is this one. I don't know if it's because I put too much hair in it, or if it's, like I said guys, the tape that comes on it is not all the way great. So that's why I said I'm gonna have to research when I do this again and find some really good tape, because if I find some really good tape, then I could just strip all the tape off of the ones, and then it's super simple to put them and replace the tape adhesive back on there. So I think that's pretty much, guys, that's the only one that I have had slippage. Show you guys the back. That's that one. So yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this whole wash routine. Now I did, like I said, I have 3 different types of hair. If you look at my previous video of me installing these tape-in extensions, which I will list in the description box below, all of them pretty much had the same type of instructions. Pretty much use a sulfate free type of shampoo, and don't apply the conditioner directly to the tape part. Like when I go in for conditioner, don't put it directly right here. Just mainly run the conditioner through the ends, and don't be like all up in there, because I'm sure the conditioner will make the tape-in extensions loose or more prone to slippage. So and then of course no oils. So I don't have any specific shampoo that I'll be using today, except for my purple shampoo, simply Shimmer Lights, simply because I have blonde hair, and to make sure that my hair stays for the most part blonde and not orange, I use this. So is this sulfate free? I don't know. I don't know, but guess what? We're using this anyways. So I'm going to go in through my scalp. I'm probably going to be massaging it. I'm getting it all up and through here with this shampoo. Conditioner, I will be using Edon Body Works Natural Conditioner, Peppermint Tea Tree, and this is sulfate free. So I will be listing the products that I use in the description box. So once I'm shampooed and once I'm conditioned, I'll show you what it looks like once it's wet. Once I shampoo and condition, then I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry and press, and we will see how they look while everything's in. Is it gonna be like the same process? Because y'all know I have 4B texture type hair. So let's see what this gonna look like. So let's go ahead and get into this wash routine. Yeah. I am finally done blow drying. And as y'all can see, I lost pieces. And I'm going to tell y'all, these pieces, I think these are the pieces of the hair. I think this was the brand that I did not like the most. This was the thinner one because I could tell by the scraggly ends. The ashier ones, y'all, they did not budge, as you can see, even with the pulling. But the other one, the more orange one, that one budged a little bit. But the more pale one, so that tape, guys, is better. I'm probably gonna let it air dry a little bit more. See the back. Once I let it air dry a little bit more, I'll go through, curl it, and style it. But y'all already seen what it looks like curled and styled. And like I said, I'll link that video down below so y'all can see what it looks like. But all in all, would I do this again with these tape and extensions? Yes. But like I said, I do have to go ahead and research which tape to replace some of this original tape, because like I said, I think that's the second bundle or second pack, and I cannot remember the name of that vendor, but I will not be buying from that vendor again. Yeah, their tape sucks. Sorry, it is what it is. But the other two vendors that I did buy these extensions from, seems like they did pretty good. Like I said, these right here, y'all see it did not budge. Like, it did not budge at all. The washing, and y'all see how I pretty much I go through a paddle brush. So I do the whole tension method to get it straight so I can get my hair straight as well. It's still slightly damp a little bit, so that's why I'm gonna let it air dry a little bit more, and then I'll go through with my flat iron, curl, and style. So yeah, that is my takeaway on this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for tuning in, and I will catch you guys on the next Candy's Hair Diary